Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve weekly contest 437 problems. So let's get started with problem number 1. Find special substring of length k. Okay. So in this problem you are given a string s and integer k. Okay. We have to determine if there exists a substring of length exactly k. Okay. Exactly k in s that satisfies the following conditions. The substring consists of only one distinct character. Okay, and if there is a character immediately before the substring, it must be different from the character in the substring. Okay, if there is a character immediately after the substring, it must also be different from the character in the substring. Return true if such a string exists, otherwise return false. Okay, a substring is a contiguous non-empty sequence of characters within a string. Okay, so let's suppose k value is 3. Okay, and now I'm searching for a substring of same character. Okay, consist of only one distinct character. Okay, so let's say I have this a, and before that and after that, let's suppose there is some other character bb, then I'm going to return true. But here, let's suppose if here it is a, I'm going to return false because length is 4. Okay, or let's suppose if here is a, then also I'm going to return false. Okay, so substring consists of only one distinct character, right? And if there is a character immediately before the substring, it must be different from the character in the substring. Okay, and if there is character immediately after the substring, it must also be different from the character in the substring. Okay, so now let's see this example. So k is equal to 3. So here see 3 is we have, right? And before that there is no character, after that there is different character, so we are going to turn true here. Okay, then here also 4 to 6, if you see here also it satisfies this condition. Okay, so we have to return true if there is such a substring present, right? So substring as 4 to 6 satisfies the condition, right? All characters are same, it has a length of 3. The character before a is b, which is different from a, there is no character after a. Okay, true. Now these are the constants. Okay, very small size, right? So now how I'm going to solve this problem? Okay, so what I'm going to do, let's suppose I have this string, let's say b a and b f c. Okay, so I'm going to run one loop. Okay, so my I is going to fix at this position. Okay, and when my I is at this position, I will check the later part of string. Okay, so here I will point my j to this position. Okay, so now initially for this b, count is 1, right? Count is 1 for this b. Okay, let's suppose my k is 3. All right, so now I'm going to increment j. So here at j we have different character than this. Okay, so that's it. Okay, done. Now next time I'm going to point my I to this position. Okay, I to this position, and now my count of a is 1 right now. Okay, and I'm going to check j from here, starting from here. Okay, so just see carefully how my I and j are working here. Okay, so j is here, right? So this j, this character and this character are matching, right? Count is going to become 2, and now I'm moving my j forward. Okay, done. Then after that, this character and this character again I'm going to check. Okay, this and this both are matching, so my count is going to become 3. Okay, then my j is going to move forward. Okay, j is reaching at this position. Okay, so now j is at this position. I will see that this c and a both are different. Okay, so if both are different, so I will check now what is the current count of this the character starting from I. So count is 3, which is equal to k. I am going to return true, right? And I have to stop it here. Okay, so that's it. So this is what we need to do. Okay, and next time, let's suppose if we didn't find anything here. Okay, so I can directly make a jump of I to this starting from here. Okay, let's say my k is 4. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do here, right? So this is a code for this one. So first I'm just calculating the length of the string, then I'm running one for loop. Okay, and then I'm picking the current character at this particular index I, then I'm starting the j from the very next index. Okay, and I'm setting count is equal to 1. Okay, count is 1 for the character which is at index I. Okay, then I'm going to run j loop. Okay, so j is less than n, and s dot character at j is matching with the character at this particular I. Okay, then only I'm going to increment the count, and j is moving forward. Okay, so I will just compare the current count value. Okay, if it is equal to k, I am returning true here. Okay, and for the next part, my I is going to point to the j minus 1. Okay, j minus 1 here, and I'm also incrementing I 1. Okay, so it will automatically pick that. Okay, next index. Then otherwise, if we didn't execute anything here, Okay, so in the end, I'm just going to return false. Okay, we didn't execute return true anywhere. Okay, so this submission is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are clear with the question number 1 of weekly contest 437. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.